Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. We are back in the dining room, so welcome again. Today is Friday, is it the 15th? Yes, November 15th. We are on to our last mission of the week for the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holidays missions. So today is mission number 20, and I don't know about you, but the snow we had earlier in the week has definitely gotten me into the Christmas spirit. I'm working on my Christmas list, and that's part of your mission for today is to review your gift list. So take a look at your budget and any gifts you have, or see if there's something you've forgotten. Like I just realized yesterday that I don't have my gift for my grandma yet. I usually give her one of the Jordan Essentials oatmeal, milk, and honey shea body butter tubes, and I need to get that ordered. So just take a look at your list, take a look at your budget, do some reviewing. It's desk day. I think that was the ice maker dropping ice, sorry. And so check your budget, check your list. Let's just get those last couple of things ordered. And if you've been following along, even if you've just done one or two missions here or there, just pat yourself on the back and be proud that you've started, you've gotten some things done early. I know I was talking to my sister yesterday and she is almost done, I think, or maybe finished now. I was so impressed. I thought, man, she's doing way more than I've even done. I've been recording the missions, but that doesn't mean I've been doing them all yet. So anyway, that's okay. Just jump in. It doesn't matter. Do what you can. Start now, and there'll still be lots of time, and we'll still get things done. So just be proud of whatever you've been able to start on and get done. I finally found my Santa wrapping paper Wednesday. I was doing some errands since I didn't leave the house Thursday. So so just take a look, get those last couple of gifts ordered if you need to, or get started on ordering gifts wherever you are, and we'll keep cruising through the holidays. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great weekend and have wonderful weather wherever you are. And I will look forward to seeing you on Monday. We're getting closer to the 1st of December. And if you are new to this whole system, just as a little reminder, the Fly Lady, she always says, just jump in where we are. So don't ever feel like you're behind. Don't ever feel like you have to go back and catch up on the missions. We just kind of repeat things. Every Monday we're doing some kind of cleaning and flinging. Maybe clinging, I don't know. Tuesday is usually your plan and play day, so we're planning things out, scheduling things out. Wednesday is usually Anti-Procrastination day, so there's some kind of holiday planning, related to that she'll give us. Thursday is usually Errand day, so you can plan on getting your gifts bought or getting your supplies bought on Thursday, or maybe your baked good, dry goods and all that, all the ingredients you need for those. And then Friday is our desk day and our budget day. So you'll always have those things repeating. She just kind of gives us a little something different each week to focus on, but it doesn't matter. Just do what you can. And then if you're catching these late, there's also super cruising. So once we get into December, if you're still needing to get your holiday shopping and wrapping and planning and preparing all done, and you haven't done any of the missions, you can still jump in then. So I'll keep going. I'll post the super cruising missions for those of us like me that sometimes need a tight deadline to get things done. So either way, it's okay. So that's my little message for you today. Don't give up. Don't feel overwhelmed. Just keep going and do a little something and you'll feel better. And have a great weekend. I'll see you on Monday. Have a good one. Bye-bye.